Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will show you how to manually place orders on Doba. If you want to place an order for your buyer, after your buyer places the order on your store, but you haven't set up the product connection, or you haven't connected your store, or you just want to place an order for yourself, you have to manually place that very order on Doba, using the Add to Cart option. Manual order placing is quick and easy. Now, let's see how to do it. First, log into your retailer account. Chances are, you might already add the products in your buyer's order into the inventory list. However, you may also find the products on the Search Products page, if you will. Anyway, please click Inventory List on the left navigation pane. Here, please locate the products in your buyer's order. You may use tags or categories to narrow down the result, or just search them by name or item number. And item number is the quickest way to locate a product. Anyway, find the products one by one, click More Actions here, then click Add to Cart. Or if you are on Product Details page, click the Add to Cart button. Then add other products of the same order to the cart as well. We recommend you only add the products that belong to the same order to the cart at one time, because it's the quickest way to place your order. Or you have to manually select the products that belong to the same order, among a ton of other products, it's a waste of your precious time. Then click the icon to enter the cart. Anyway, please click here to remove any product if you want. Or, just click Select All, if all the products belong to the same order. Then click Proceed to Checkout. On the Order Review page, please enter your store order ID. Choose the platform, and enter the store amount. Then please add an address, your buyer's address. Next, please adjust the quantity of each product according to your store order. Click here to select a shipping method, if there are more than one. Change the billing address, if necessary. You may click here to enter your remark, if you have something to say to the seller. Finally, please click Pay Now. On the payment page, please choose a payment method, card, prepay, or wire transfer. If you choose to use a card, please select a current card, or just add a new one here. Check this option to remember this card, for later use. And click Submit Payment to enter your payment password to proceed. Please remember, you have 24 hours to complete the payment, or the order will be cancelled by Doba. If you choose to use the prepay, please make sure your balance is enough, or you will see an error message. If the balance is enough, please enter your payment password to proceed. If you choose to use wire transfer, just click Confirm, then please check your email for the payment information. Follow the instructions to pay for the order, and return to Doba. Click Go to Order. Then click Upload Receipts. Here please select your payment method. Enter your bank name, account holder name, account number, transfer date, amount, and finally, upload the bank receipt. If they have a paper bank slip, use your phone's camera to take a picture or scan it first. If you have more than one receipt, please continue to upload it by clicking here. Finally, please click Save to finish. You have to complete your payment in 72 hours, or 3 days, or your order will be cancelled by Doba. Actually, there's a fourth method to pay for your order, it's called Doba Credit. We'll tell you about this in another video. Now the order placing process is completed. You may find the order on the Purchase Orders page. In the following videos, we'll introduce other ways of placing orders, such as synced store order placing, multiple orders placing with an Excel template, etc. That's all for today, thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.